Well, this is where I'm at my most happy, I think, when we've got a mass of timber, we've got a big roof to build, and I've got 3 giants with me. So there's a theme going on here. I mean, Andy was always tall, along came Ed, and then Ollie's come along to help us, and he's as tall, and I just feel like this small man syndrome. Look, it's just unbelievable. If I walk forward to the camera, now I look about the same height, don't I? In fact, I need to be about here anyway. Anyway, that's what I have to put up with, isn't it? You know, but it's just the strength we need, isn't it? That's it. Yeah. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be starting to put up these truss frames, which are going to support the main elements of the roof. So this roof is a bit of a hybrid. It's got trusses. It's got some manufactured components like these girder truss ridges, and that eliminates some of the steel or the need for steel, and that eliminates cold bridging and fireproofing and all the other things that go along with it. Let alone the weight of a steel beam, which will travel 7 meters in this case, from a girder truss here at this point, all the way through to a partition where Andy's standing, right here, over a load bearing wall, and we've got a big gable to gable roof and a huge set of valleys. So it's really key that we've thought about this. We've gone through the process of engineering it to get rid of as much steel as possible. We only have 2 pieces of steel on this job. One of them is directly underneath me here, and the other one is over our bifold doors here. So it's actually brilliant. So what we're going to do first is get the trusses round from where we got them off the lorry. We couldn't get the lorry anywhere else apart from there. We've made some wheels. They're quite heavy. The heaviest truss is about 100 kilos, and we've got 4 of those pieces to put together. So that's nearly 400 kilos, just under half a ton. We're going to get them round and we're going to carefully get them up. Now there's 4 of us here, so effectively we're carrying 25 kilos each, which is fine. It's a bag of cement. However, because of the nature of the shape of it, the leverage tends to give you a little bit more weight, but we're going to manage that. We just take it nice and steady. We're going to get the first 3 up, which go across there in front of me, and then we'll get the rest of them up and they'll go there, and then we can start cutting timber and making this roof. That's it, just get it over somewhere out of the way. I think the name of the game, that's probably as far as Ollie can get there. I'll get the wheels on here now. So, all right, so all I'm going to do is we'll leave one end on and lift one end up, and I'll stick these under. One end on, one end up. You can see roughly. Yeah? Yeah. Now let's just see if we're rocking in the middle roughly, yeah? Yeah? We looking good? Which way? Let's go the long way, shall we? Yeah, is that all right? Does it feel easy enough? Lovely. Does it?
No weight there, just got to lean it in, yeah?
Yeah, we want to keep them as upright as possible. And that end goes down first. Yeah. That's nice and easy. How's it run?
Nice, smooth.
Well, we like that, don't we? That's it. Yeah, pop them under one end. And then all we've got to do is just give it a little lift, don't we? Ready? Oh, actually, it rolls up on its own virtually.
Right.
Yeah? Now we're going to go in against the wall if you can. Ready? Lift him off. 1, 2, 3. And against the wall. That's it. So it's standing upright. Now we can do 1 or 2 things here. We can get them all around here to there. Or we can just try one. We should probably just try one.
But we have to,
So in your own time, we can either put it on the little skate, you know, the one we bought up, or just keep it going on the flooring, and we'll aim it across here. Miss that, hopefully. And then we'll just keep going, and then we'll lower it in, all right? So it's up to you if you want to skate it or slide it. All right, everyone? And slide. And slide. All right, everyone? And slide. And slide. Now tell me when you're nearly there, Ed.
yeah.
All right, now carefully all lift and post, yeah? Now looking good. Now, gonna go tight to that one, aren't we? And yeah? I'll come over to my rim board there, Ed. Yeah? Come over to, yeah, to yours, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, what I'll do there is I want to take it to you, 25. Back a touch. There. All right. Now I'll brace that there plumb. Before we do anything else, let's have a quick look at that. Oh, that's pretty good going. Right, whack the screw in at the top. Side. That's it. That's it. And then we'll screw the bottom. Just one's enough, Ed. I think what we need to do is pull it so it's not going to hinder the next one being slid in. Oh, it should be fine. Yeah, go like that. That's it. Now, who's going to plumb it up? Give the Ollie the level. Somewhere in the vial, because we need to adjust it again. And in you go, Ed. So which way do you want to go?
These go out.
Okay, mate.
Towards the camera. There's level there.
Go for it. Good. That's all safe now then, chaps. Right, whilst you get the next one round, I'm just going to work out whether I can get that fixed together properly in the floor. I'm going to get the nailing patterner. All right. Up and back and in. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. And slide. Right. Wait for the big fella. Roughly to you a bit. But
Yeah, it does. Keep that end slightly.
right. When we don't do anything until we're all ready, I'm not quite.
Well, let's move our end first, Rob, so we're closer, otherwise we're a mile off. Alright, we can go like that now.
Everyone's got too much to mix.
Too much in.
Oh, sorry. There you go, there. Right. Minging the fingers, yeah. Dropping in. Okay.
Yeah.
Fingers. That's it.
Trust.
Oh,
Not literally.
that's touching the block.
That's good, yeah. That's much nicer, that one.
Yeah.
Woo. So we've done really well. We've got our triple ply here. That's ready to rock. That supports the end of our lattice ridge, which basically runs from there all the way out to a big gable timber stud there. And we've also got another one on the other side which runs out to a big gable timber stud there. And the guys have got the 4 ply in. There's a big set of trusses here. And that's looking pretty good too. Again, that's going to take a ridge right from the top all the way over to where our load bearing wall is next to the stairwell. A 7 metre long lattice ridge. So on the whole, it's looking pretty good. So we're going to get on. We've got one more truss to get in, get them all fixed together properly, and tomorrow cut some timbers.